Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2D, that is about solving simultaneous linear equations through graphical method. In this lesson, I'll solve question number 1, basic level, F part. Question says that solve the following simultaneous equations using graphical method. Let's move to the solution of the question. Question is 3x minus 4y equals to 25 and 4x minus y equals to 16. I'll be solving this question with intercept method so that the students should have the command on both the methods. So the equation is 3x minus 4y equals to 25. For x-intercept, what we have to do, we have to put y equals to 0, and when I'm putting my y value 0 in the given equation, minus 4 into 0 equals to 25, or 3x minus 0 equals to 25, or 3x equals to 25, or x equals to 25 by 3. 25 by 3 is 25 divided by 3 is 8. 3 8s are 24 and I'm left with 1, and 3 3s are 9, that is around 8.3. So one of the point is A, 8.3 and 0. Coming to y-intercept, for y-intercept, what we have to do, we have to put x equals to 0 in the given equation. When I will be putting my x equals to 0 in the given equation, this will take the form 3 into 0 minus 4y equals to 25, or this vector will become 0 and minus 4y equals to 25, or y equals to 25 by 4 with minus sign. And now divide 25 by 4, and that will give me 4 6 are 24, and I will left with 1. 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8, and then I will left with 2, and 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 6.25. 6.25. So the second point will be, point B will be 0 with minus 6.25 or around 6.3. So first of all, let's quickly mark these 2 points on the graph paper and draw the line that will represent the line for the equation 3x minus 4y equals to 25. A is 8.3 and 0. Here we have the x value with us and y is 0. So this point will be coming on x-axis. I have to reach at x equals to 8 and then 8.3. 3 small blocks carefully, 1, 2 and 3 small blocks, and this is point A, that is 8.3 and 0, and the second point is 0. X value is 0, so the point will have to come on y-axis and on 6.25, so 6.12 and slightly in the third small block. Okay, so let me draw the line that will pass through these 2 points. Okay, intercepts help us in drawing the line easily, so I mostly prefer this method. This is 3x minus 4y equals to 25. Now let's move to the second line, that is 4x minus y equals to 16. Again, for x-intercept, what we have to do, put y equals to 0, and when I'm putting y equals to 0, equation will take the form 4x minus 0 equals to 16, 4x equals to 16, or x equals to 4. So the point will take the form C, because I already have used A and B, so C 4 with 0, Now for y-intercept, what we have to do, y-intercept, put x equals to 0 in the given equation, x equals to 0, and when I'm putting x value 0 in the equation, minus y equals to 16, this vector will become 0, minus y equals to 16. We need the value of y, shift minus sign to other side, y equals to minus 16, and the point will take the form d0 with minus 16. Now let's quickly plot these 2 points on the line, and let me first block this answer so that it has to be visible. Okay, and this is b 0 and minus 6.25. Now c 4 with 0, it means that I have to move 4 units on x-axis and I have to mark the point. This is c4 with 0, c4 with 0, and d0 with minus 16. So reach at minus 16 over here, mark the point. This is d point 0 with minus 16, and now I have to pass the line through these 2 points carefully. I have to pass the line. Okay, let me draw the line. Okay, and this line will be like this. I can extend the line. Okay, and then after drawing the line, I have to label the line as well. This is the equation 4x minus y equals to 16. Okay, in order to get this solution, we have to see at what point both the lines are meeting each other. Okay, if we look at x equals to 3, and then what I have to do, the lines are meeting at x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 4, so the solution for this situation will be 3 and minus 4. X value is 3 and y value is minus 4. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.